industrious, united, persevering, and determined to bring about changes. These characteristics best describe Mr. and Mrs. Saturnino Velasco and family of Barangay Imelda, San Jacinto, Pangasinan, the outstanding farm family of Region 1. Mang Satur, a graduate of a 2-year radio communication operator course, and Aling Trining, a BS in agricultural education graduate, are no ordinary farmers. Having 5 siblings, 1 who is now an electrical engineer working abroad, 3 who are college students, and 1 fourth-year high school with coming enrollment, they opted to devote their time and effort in the farm instead of enjoying the comfort of an air-conditioned room. Like other farm families, they once dreamed of having a comfortable life, owning a house, farmland, and a car they could call their own. And believe it or not, all these things are now with the Velascos. These they owe much to farming. The Velasco family tills 4.3 hectares of land, where 3 hectares is devoted to hybrid rice production rotated with corn. The 1.2 hectares is planted with orchard crops like calamansi, intercropped with other high-value fruits like mango, while the remaining 500 square meters is planted with banana and coconut, and the other 500 square meter is a pond stocked with tilapia fingerlings. A well-planned farm. This serves as a model farm in San Jacinto and nearby towns, showcasing the best technologies and approaches on farm production. Mang Satur and his family practice intercropping, pruning, and integrated pest management, which Mang Satur learned in various trainings and seminars he attended. Sponsored by the different training institutions like the Department of Agriculture, Provincial Agriculture's Office, and Municipal Agriculture's Office, these trainings ensure a higher yield and better quality of harvest and consequently increasing income. Marketing their calamansi produce is also not a problem for the family. Local traders come and go to their house to pick up their harvest. With the prevailing price of 40 pesos per kilo, the couple has all the reason to smile while counting the income. Aside from planting high-value crops, the Velascos also raise poultry and livestock. June is in charge of their swine breeders, while Bruce takes care of their poultry. The couple take care of their cattle and see to it that their animals are in good condition by giving nutritious animal feed using the combination of corn stover, darak, and salt. Rice hays as well as corn stover are stocked in the storage room, providing your animals a year-round supply of feed, especially during lean months where green grasses are limited. An energy-saving measure, the family utilizes corn cobs. Likewise, realizing the importance of compost, the family works together in collecting it and then uses this in their calamansi and other crop production to minimize the high cost of commercial fertilizer. Mushroom production is also undertaken by the family, which commands higher price, especially during summer. Using banana leaves as medium, the family also gets additional income from it. The pond located behind their house gives the family a year-round supply of fish. The calamansi seedlings placed in front of their house, which cost 35 pesos a piece, is another source of income. Despite the time and hard work they put into farming, the Velasco family still finds time to be actively involved in community activities. Mang Satur is an active member of the San Jacinto Integrated Pest Management Casa Kalikasan Multipurpose Cooperative together with Manang Trining. Likewise, Manang Trining, being a former barangay chairman in Imelda, with diligence and commitment of bringing development in the agriculture industry, implemented several projects. which gradually helped improve the life of her constituents in Imelda. Their children are also actively participating in projects of the Sangguniang Kabataan and the 4-H Club of Barangay Imelda. The Velasco family. They counted the cost of quality, paid its price, and reaped the bountiful rewards of hard work. Truly an outstanding farm family. This is the Velasco family, the family that sowed good seeds on a fertile ground now reaps a bounty harvest.